They got to be a divorce, loss of a job, substance abuse problem, out of work, property needs work, inherited property. My favorite scenario, kids living rent-free. Do you know how many houses I bought from families that didn't have the heart to evict their kids, so they sold me the house? And I had no problem evicting them. They're not my family. I had no problem at all evicting them. So they just sold the houses because they don't feel like evicting their own kids. So when you deal with a motivated seller, the number one thing that they want is a fast closing. A fast closing. Like weeks, not months. Waiting for loan approval, waiting for an appraisal, waiting for a survey, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. No loan costs. Again, the last time I got a lot of, and I'm not beating up on the mortgage brokers here, I'm talking about the other ones. A lot of mortgage brokers will advertise, free loan, no loan costs. That's like people in Texas who say, we don't have any property taxes. We don't